Okay, I'm just going to show you quickly how to change a case fan. Very simple. Just get all 4 screws off. I've just taken the other 3 off for time's sake. So let's get this one off. And as you're doing this, hold on, push against the fan, against where you're pushing with the screwdriver, and hold on to the case so you don't electrocute anything or yourself. So unplug it.
Plug everything.
Usually it's a 4-pin Molex plug, but I've got cable ties around this, so I'll just unplug it here. And just same thing really, put it back on, just the opposite way. Just make sure you get it the right way, in and out, whatever. Get it back into position. Oh shit, let's see. Just screw it all 4 back in, pushing against it. And just do that with the other 4 screws. Plug it back in. And then just plug all the stuff back in, power on the computer, and that should be it.